our team. We're the winning team. I repeat, we're the winning team.
We are the winning team.
No stopping us now. McFadden and Whitehead, my sister from Philly, you know them.
Yes,
One of my greatest songs. So definitely, we want everyone to make sure you stay connected to Brother Corey so that any legal matters, anything that you want to do, you know you got the best. And that's what we bring, the best. Because we are the best. We're the gods and goddesses. And we have to return, we have to ascend. And we're blessed, and we're going to bring forth the sister. When the brother talked about, investment in love and in spirit, that's us.
That's right.
I'm here because of my love for Africa. And I'm successful. Because we have to, you can't go to a beggar and say, let me show you how, the beggar going to show you how to be rich. We have to have examples of wealth creation. And just briefly before we bring on our sister, I came here with just a mind to live in my homeland. So I invested in real estate. I bought land for my home and built a 3-bedroom home when I first came to Ghana for my family. Then I invested in ocean properties. I helped a brother out of St. Louis to get 60 plots right on the ocean, and he's developing. Then I went with some partners. We got 50 acres of farmland, and we are developing the moringa superfood. We're growing organic vegetables, and we're setting up a holistic center in the central region, Elmina, not far from One Africa where you'll be staying, but we're going to train the youth of Africa how to grow organic food, and we're going to return to the land. I was featured in Ghana's Link magazine, Organic Farming. You may want to get a copy of it to read more about it.
Yes.
Just want to give some examples of success, of love. See, I'm not here for the money. I'm not here for the money. I'm here for the honey. I repeat, the honey is my beautiful family. The most beautiful woman in the world is a black woman. And we got to make sure we stand up, brothers, and be real men. All right, and love them properly. Okay, we cannot be on the richest continent and the poorest people. And if we the head, we got to take our rightful position as head of the family. So the brothers, let's ascend. And then I have this book to help you out. Brother Bumani helped me to take it further. The Black Guide to Investing in Africa, based on my years being here. So we have this available for you also to guide you into the success. I'm very wealthy compared to how I lived in America. I had a 3-bedroom home in New Jersey that I was paying a mortgage for 30 years. I have all this property in Ghana and it's paid for. I don't have to worry about anyone writing me letters like they wrote me in New Jersey saying, you're behind, Mr. Dahveed. You're going to possess your home if you don't pay up. I mean, it's love that I made this decision to come home. For you. So if I can buy land and home without worrying about white man calling me for money, you can do it too. You can do it too.
Yeah.
And I'll say it again. If I came to Africa and became richer, okay? Because I was born rich with this black skin and this black mind. But when I came home to Africa, I became richer. Because ignorance is evil. Wisdom is good. Without that, I like to bring forth something that's really beautiful.